Welcome back, y'all. I'm about to show you how to make the best Chebe and Fenugreek herb infused oil. So for oils, what I used was jojoba oil, Jamaican Black castor oil, Biotin oil, peppermint oil, and then I just used Chebe powder, Fenugreek powder, and lavender leaves, and then a herbal hair mix that I got off of Amazon. And then I have a filter. So I just did everything in a plastic bowl, y'all. You don't need too much. I did 1/3 of every bottle, so I didn't really measure out the oils, but I also did peppermint essential oil too. So regular peppermint oil and peppermint essential oil. But for the essential oil, I did about like 25 uh, drops, and then every other oil, again, 1/3 of the bottle. And this got me like 4-ounce bottles filled up. Now what I did was really like after I put all the ingredients in a bowl, I mixed it and I let the bowl sit for 2 days. Like that's the biggest thing, letting everything infuse and like mix together for a while just so it can simmer, like marinate. So when I put the herbs in there, that's why I left it to sit for a few days. And then after that is when I strained it. But it gave the Chebe powder, it gave the herbs, and it gave the fenugreek really time to soak in. When it comes to the powders, Chebe powder I use like 1/3. Fenugreek I use less than 1/3 because they give you a lot. So for that, it's more of eyeballing it. There's no perfect amount that's gonna get you the perfect thing. So just use a lot, and everything will be fine from there. Then after that, I just let everything simmer, let everything mix. How I told you, I let it sit for a few days. After that, I didn't record it, but I strained it. So I strained it to get all the herbs out and to get like the lavender leaves because I don't want that inside the bottle. So then what was left was just like some of the fenugreek powder and the Chebe powder at the bottom of the bottles when I was putting it in there. And y'all, this oil is amazing for hair stimulation, for length retention, especially when you have Chebe in it, and then really just getting your hair follicles thicker. Castor oil does the job. Jojoba oil gives you that shine, that health, and this is what the oil looked like at the end. So yeah, go make your oil, y'all, and make sure you use a lot of Chebe.